So we're coming up on Reunion Resort, and these are some of the homes back in the Reunion community. They are just stunning. Oh my gosh. So pretty.
Continue on Tradition Boulevard for 1.5 miles.
Just look at that one. Oh, and there go people on golf carts. So that's cool. I didn't realize how close the golfers can get to the homes back there. Something we have to do sometime. We gotta play golf here. I didn't realize how close the golf course is. That is so cool. Oh wow. It's hard to believe those are all one singular home. So pretty.
Yeah, they only had this part done last time.
Yeah. I wonder if there's a way we could just come walk around and just like look at them all up close. They're so pretty. So now we're getting into the part where they have a lot of the villas and stuff, like where we're going to be staying. But we have to go check in the main lobby building, which is also gorgeous. So always love going inside there.
Your destination will be on the left.
They have our favorite, the spa water. This one is infused with mixed berries. Look at that. I'm gonna get some of that. Alrighty, we are all checked in. Back in the car we go. Back in the minivan. Are you so happy to have a minivan, Mom?
I miss my minivan. You make fun of me, but I like it.
You like a minivan. I said it's appropriate because, you know, Disney now has the minivans as well, so it's got like a Disney name to it. We'll call it our own personal little minivan. Here we go. So now, is the plan, are we going into the room or are we going to Publix first?
We might as well
Just go look at the room. Okay, we're gonna go do that. Alright, so here is the building we are in this time. We are in the section of Cabana Court, which is one of the sections I don't think we've ever been in before. Oh look, there's one! You will quickly find out about me. I love lizards. I just think they're so cool. I know I'm in Florida once I see Florida lizards, so I get very excited about it. I also love golf carts, so I love seeing all these golf carts running around this place. Okay, so we are all checked in. So we are staying at the Wyndham Reunion Resort. This resort is so gorgeous. We've stayed here, me and my parents, several times in the past on past vacations. This will probably be maybe our 5th time staying here. Love this place so much. It is in a golf course community, just very beautiful. We actually have a little bit of like a partial golf course view. This time I was hoping to be kind of like right on a hole, but still, it's okay. You get the point of, you can see we're right by one of the golf cart paths. So that will be good because like I said, I love golf carts, all about my golf cart obsession. So we'll get to see the golf carts running around, but I want to go ahead and do a little room tour of where we're staying here at Wyndham Reunion. So this is a 3-bedroom villa, and we always get a 3-bedroom villa when we stay here, but this one is actually, it's a corner unit, so there's been a couple things, and I'll kind of point that out, that are kind of different from this room compared to some of the units that we've been in before. So let's get on with the tour. Here we go. All right, so as soon as you come in the door, this is the view that you see. They have a really nice entryway, beautiful tile flooring throughout here, and very nice just vaulted ceilings. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then right in here, this is actually going to be my bedroom. So you have a king size bed, or actually I think that might even be a California king because it's kind of like the box shape, but very, very nice, very big space. I love one of these things in front of a bed. I have a thing for that. I think that's really just cool. You can sit there, put your shoes on, and like, you know, it's just very fancy, I think. So we have a TV, flat screen TV on the wall, storage, you have your drawers here. Over here, there is a closet, and this is where this just whole kind of room configuration is kind of different. I'll link my video I have from the unit we stayed in when we were here in, I believe last time we stayed here was maybe November. So yeah, I'll link that video and you kind of see how the room was different. But yeah, here's this closet that you get. And then moving over this way, so then there's also 2 end tables, nightstands on the sides of the bed. And this is where this room is a lot different. So here's the full-length mirror. Hello. This is where this whole part is very different for this room. You have the bath, and then your kind of vanity area is actually separated in here. And actually, I didn't even see this yet. What is this? Oh, wow, that's really nice. They have kind of a storage linen closet for you there. Very, very nice. I don't think they had that either in the other unit, but yeah, very nice. So you have the entire vanity area, and then in here, this is the bathroom. Let's see. Oh, can't find the lights, but anyway, here we go. Here is the bathroom. You have your shower, toilet area, all that. And yeah, I do like when they separate kind of, so if you ever were gonna have multiple people in a room, someone can be, you know, getting a shower while someone else is out here getting ready. Very nice. All right, so now let's go. Oh, I hear my parents bringing in luggage. The bags are arriving. Here we go. Okay, so then back out into the hallway, you have this next room here. This is, I believe, 2 queen beds or 2 doubles. I'm not exactly sure, but you have 2 nice sized beds in here. A little chair area, storage, you have your drawers, another flat screen TV on the wall, nightstand there in the middle, and then right here, this is another big closet. Very nice size. Awesome. And then right through here is the bathroom. And so you have vanity, everything in here. And they actually have, so you can enter the bathroom from in this bedroom here, or there's this door that leads out back into kind of where we came from. So there was the entry hallway there and how you get into the 2 bedrooms. So now back from the entry hallway, you would walk this way. They have a full kitchen here, which is very nice. You have your breakfast bar up top here, and then stainless steel appliances. Very, very nice. We always use the kitchen. We don't really do cooking, but we always use it for baking fresh baked cookies in the oven. That's what we like to use this for. Isn't that right, Mom? Slice and bake cookies. Yes, I should specify slice and bake cookies in the oven.
I'm not baking.
I know. So yeah, it's very, very nice in here. Oh, and I believe this is a pantry. Yeah, you have a very nice, massive pantry in here. And the kitchen is fully stocked should you ever want to do any cooking or anything. They just give you all of your utensils. I believe they also have pots and pans in here. Just a lot of different kitchen utensils. They have a blender, toaster, all of your knives and pots and pans down there. Let's see, cutting board. You have a strainer. Let's see what else. Here is your silverware in here, all organized. And, oh, there's the cookie sheets. That's what we get the most use out of in this kitchen. Under here, you just have trash can, and they give you a couple essential things, a roll of paper towels, some dish soap, things like that. And then you also get a coffee maker in the room. Let's see what is up here in these. Here are all of your different, some more pans. You have your plates in there. Some bowls, coffee cups. And then here, I'm not sure if they have anything up in here. I don't think so. Not really able to be reached up there. You have wine glasses as well as just some other regular glasses in here, some juice glasses. And let's see what is in here. More things for cooking and baking. And, oh, these are nice. What are these? Oh, just like a nice little blue cup. Very fun. Okay. I never even knew they had those in there. You see, I'm discovering things as I'm doing this room tour. And then in here, you move into the living room area. We have the dining room table, breakfast bar with some stools here in the kitchen. In here, we have the whole family room area. Very nice couch, love seat over here. Got 2 chairs over there, all the stuff. Another flat screen on the wall there. It's a very nice space. And then we have a desk as well, which is awesome. And then here's the balcony. So we'll go out there in a second, but let me show you the master bedroom. So this is my parents' room. You get the California king bed. Very nice. It's so spacious in here. That's what we love about these units. Another flat screen TV. And you can actually, from the master bedroom here, you can enter out to the balcony. And Mom, in the other units, were you able to go out to the balcony from your room? I think you were. I think it was more like a sliding glass door or something there.
The balcony was longer, so you walked right out onto it. This one's a little shorter.
Yes, we'll go out there and look at it.
Access it from here.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then I like the double closet.
Yes, this is very fancy. So you have, once you come over here, there is one closet on this side and then another closet here on this side. Very nice, both walk-in closets. And then through here is the bathroom. Let me find the lights. Here we go. So here is your master bath. Get a tub. Very nice, very big walk-in shower. Jacuzzi tub, I think. Or let's say just regular tub. Got your vanity, double sinks, and then in here is your bathroom separated in here. All right, so now let's head back out and we'll go out and check out the balcony and the view. All right, let's go see the balcony. So like my mom said, the one thing we're very happy with, oh, let me see, how do I get out of here? All right, so here is the balcony. Like my mom said, this is actually, it's a bit smaller since we have a corner unit. And there's some things, you know, like I said, the room configuration is kind of different. And one of the things is the balcony. It's usually double the size of this. And this still, as is a very nice size balcony. Usually it is a bit bigger and they have like 2 lounge chairs as well. So that's the only kind of downfall of having this corner unit we found so far. But we still like it. We have our little table to come have breakfast out here in the morning. And I believe right over there, I'm not sure what part of the golf course that is, but we do have kind of a golf course view. Oh, here come the golfers. Perfect timing. Look at that. That's so cool. So yeah, it's really fun being here. You get to just kind of sit out here and watch the people playing golf. At Studios, and we're gonna go in. We're gonna see Toy Story Land for the first time. Okay, it's about to happen. We just turned the corner. We came down off the steps, and I was like, "Oh my gosh, it's right here!" Like we're about to turn the corner and see Toy Story Land. Whoa! Here he comes! Oh my gosh, that's so cool.